Hello guys, how are you today? In this video I'm gonna explain the difference between two important things: algorithm and program. Imagine that we have a simple problem. So we have here a list of numbers: 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So I'm asking you to find all the numbers, but with a condition. For example, when we select a number among these numbers and we divide it by 2, sure, we have here a number, but I need that this number or this operation give me a remainder of 0. Okay? Or in another term, find me all numbers that are divisible by 2. You, as a programmer or a computer scientist, you think about create an algorithm. Yes, generally an algorithm comes first before create our program. For example, an algorithm has start point. Okay, so we need to loop over this list, and to do that we have keyword that is known as a loop, and we have several loops. For example, we have while loop, for and do while. These are famous loops in programming and algorithms. So we have to loop over this list using, for example, while loop. But while what? So for me as a human, I use this simple sentence: while this list is not empty. Okay, so I need to take the first element. In programming, to take elements from a list, we have to use indexes, and generally the index starts by 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But to use this index, it must be declared first. I is equal to 0. Okay, so, and I need to place this number in a variable. For example, n. It must be declared too. So I put this number from our list L here. So we have our list. Okay, I need to take my number by or using the index. So the first time n will be equal to 1. Okay, so we have here our number. Now we need to check if this condition is respected. So we need to put the remainder r here of the division of n by 2. Okay, so don't forget to declare r also. So we have here the remainder. Now we need to check the condition. To check the condition, we have to use a keyword if. Now this if, it is also can be understood by a human. So if n, if r is equal to 0. So if yes, we need to put this list in our new list. So we have to declare our new list L2. So add, for example, N to L2. Now we have to increment our index by this instruction and delete N from L. So this is our while loop. Now we have to start our algorithm. Now we have our algorithm finished and ready to start. So our list will be here 2, 4, 6. Okay, so this is simple and understood by any human. Okay, or at least it's the words that are used here can be understood. So this is the first stage. Now we need to convert this algorithm to a program. And to do that, we need first to learn at least one programming language. For example, Python, C, or Java. So let me know what is the translation of this algorithm to a program in the comment, and use any language that you know. So see you in the next video.